This looks alright, doesn't it?
Yeah. Okay, so Jimmy can't find his remote for the TV. And so we've looked everywhere in the van except for in the washing machine. No, not in the washing machine. We've checked everywhere and we cannot find it anywhere. And
I know you lost it, but for sure.
I didn't even touch the TV today.
Here's a tip for you: don't walk around out there barefoot. Got those bloody, what do you call them, bindies.
So he's very frustrated. We've checked under everything. We've checked everywhere, and it's not.
I know you threw it in.
I did not throw it in bed. See,
when he's cleaning up in a hurry,
he
just goes
blames me for everything. And why would I be cleaning up in a hurry?
Because it's time to go. It's time to go. When I'm ready to go, I'm ready to go. You should be ready to go too.
Yeah. So, nah, you've lost it somewhere. Because I didn't touch it at all today. And
I got out of bed this morning, I went outside and I didn't touch the remote. So
you did too, you had the TV on.
I had the TV on all night, but I didn't touch the remote this morning. I got out of bed and I went straight outside. I did.
See what I have to contend with?
So we've just gone for a walk down along the river a little bit, and there's a bit more flow to it down here. Well, I found myself a nice little shady spot up under the trees here, so pretty cool there. Looking at the river, and it's got so tempting I'm going to go for a swim.
Are you comfy there, Jimmy?
Not really.
Why?
Well, it's very shallow.
Yeah.
But the current's quite strong.
Yeah. You getting rocks up your butt?
I can't find a spot with a rock big enough to hold me.
Show me what happens if you lay back. It's quite a good current, isn't it?
It's not bad here, it doesn't blow as fast here, but it's pretty shallow.
Here comes my handsome husband, James Byrne XXL.
Best time of day to be in here though.
Is it? Where's all the fishies?
There isn't there.
None.
What is it, about 5:30, is it?
It's 5:30, yeah.
So it's day 3 here at this Courabyra reserve, and just had a look out the window, and the river seems to be moving much faster today, so they must have let some water out from upstream. But the neighbours have gone, both sides. Looks like we've got the whole place to ourselves at the moment. So I might put the drone up for a bit of a look before we get any new neighbours. Oh yeah, that water's up quite a bit higher than it was yesterday. And it's, you can actually see how fast it's moving today. So they must have let a bit out upstream. But this is a cracking campsite. There's still some neighbours over there. Great spot. It's going to be a hot one today. It's going to be 34 degrees today. So enjoy it whilst it's not too hot. And then we'll be back under the shady tree again. So we're leaving Burraye. Really good campsite, this one, so put it on your bucket list. Show them around, Wendy.
Beautiful. And it's clean. Where were you staying? Because I saw flies.
One fly.
Lots of flies. They weren't too bad, not as bad as some, and they're fine as long as you're not eating. But as soon as you're out in the sun, the flies come for you. In the shade, they seem to keep away.
You're getting hard to please in your old age, aren't you?
Hardly any flies compared to the last place. Doesn't mean there were no flies. It just means there weren't many flies.
It's Australia, mate. Get used to it. You've been here 40 fucking years. You should be used to it by now.
I'm fine. Listen, Mr. Grumpy Pants. Calm your farm.
You're a princess. Let's call you princess.
Yes.
Wrong way, princess.
But it is. It's a beautiful campground. Beautiful and clean. The cows are on the other side of the river. I did see cow poops, but they must be sneaking around when I'm sleeping.
They weren't fresh.
No.
So we're going to go into Gingilik for see if we can get a snack. Because I've been up since 6:30. It's 9:30. It's time to eat again. Isn't it? Action it on camera.
I go like cows crossing the road, and he goes, if I were, what do you call me?
Fucking useless navigator.
I'd be getting that on camera. And I said, dude, it's cows crossing the road. I don't know, people. Is this exciting for you?
Get out. Get out. Not putting up with you anymore. Come on. Right here.
No.
Come on.
Oh, good. I can get a better picture of the pretty cows.
Get out.
No.
Alright. Alright, so we've come into Tumbarumba. They've got a music festival on here on the weekend called Tumbafest, and we've just got to pick our tickets up from somewhere down here. So this looks like where it's going to be. There you go, Grandma.
Why does it rain everywhere I go? Like, seriously. This is ridiculous.
Have to change you for wet, wrong way, Wendy.
It hasn't rained here in like forever.
It's raining now. Oh, well, it's alright. It's very, very dry out here. Old Ben's pulled the pin. Lots of people running for cover.
Hey, how good did the bass sound in that song?
Oh, so good.
They always say the coolest guy in the band is the bass player.
That's true.
Bridge race, and all the ducks are just flying by.
41, 402, 355 and 91 are in our lead ducks. 280 is heading towards the bank.
Oh no!
80 is heading towards the rock. It has led by a kilometre. It has hit the rock. It has come back towards the centre of the field. 280 is our winner. We have got a big race between our second and third.
Clear winner.
341. Looks like it's 341. We'll just confirm that.
That's
We've
a
got our
good
second and
group.
third. 402 definitely third.
So they bet on the ducks.
341 second.
The money goes to the local
407 is third.
Football club? Oh, that's amazing. It's fantastic. So how much does it cost per duck that you bet on?
How much was it this year?
Per duck?
Yeah, $10 each.
$10 a duck.
$10 a duck.
And how many ducks go in?
From duck number 280.
200? I don't quote me on that.
Yeah? Well, it's got to be, oh, so they don't start from like number one?
Yes, they do.
Oh, well, there's, if that was 280.
We've gone from the hottest
nearly
track to the
500,
wettest
isn't
track
it?
at the duck race at Tumba.
They sell a lot.
Yeah.
It's nearly 500.
And they sold out of ducks.
They
So-
usually sell out very quickly on
July
Saturday, usually by lunch.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
But it's the biggest fundraiser for the football club for the year. Yeah.
Oh, that's good. No, that's good to see. So they would have made a fortune. And I'm lost. We're over there, aren't we?